Did you know you can still jailbreak almost any iPhone? From iOS 9 all the way up to iOS 16. In this video, I'll show you the real working jailbreak methods, which tool you should use, and how to jailbreak your iPhone step by step safely. No confusion. No computer and direct install. For example, I'm using an iPhone 7 running iOS 15, and I want to jailbreak this device. If you're using a different iPhone, that's totally fine. This video is still relevant for you. Now, to check which jailbreak tool is suitable for your device, open Safari and go to applejr.net. Once the website loads, tap on the jailbreak menu at the top. Here, you'll see a list of jailbreak tools, organized by iOS version and device compatibility. Before installing the jailbreak tool without using a computer, you need to install the applejr DNS profile first. Tap Install button and allow when the profile download appears. After that, install the profile by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded and install the profile. Once installed, your device is ready, and now you can continue to install the jailbreak tool. On this website, you'll see many jailbreak tools, each one made for a specific iOS version. Since I'm running iOS 15, I'm going to choose Dopamine because this tool supports my device and iOS. Just find Dopamine Jailbreak in the list, then tap Install Dopamine. When the install pop-up appears, tap Install, and wait until the app shows up on your home screen. Once it's installed, don't open it yet. You need to verify it first by going to Settings. Hit General, VPN and Device Management, and trust the Dopamine. After that, go back to your home screen and open Dopamine. Once you open Dopamine, you'll see the main jailbreak screen. Now tap the Jailbreak button and select Sileo Package Manager. Just wait while Dopamine prepares the jailbreak files. When it's downloaded, your iPhone will then respring or reboot automatically. After it turns back on, unlock your device. Open Sileo or Dopamine again. That means your iPhone is successfully jailbroken. If you don't see Sileo, or the jailbreak fails the first time, don't worry, this is normal. Just reopen Dopamine and tap Jailbreak again. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 tries to complete successfully. And that's how you can jailbreak your iPhone from iOS 9 all the way up to iOS 16, using the correct jailbreak tool for your device. I showed you how to jailbreak iOS 15 using Dopamine, but the same idea applies to other iPhones. Just choose the tool that matches your iOS version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.